Good morning. If you can hear the Christmas music, we're at Disney World. It's Christmas season, which means gingerbread houses. Stopped at Joffrey's for a nice little chocolate chip muffin and frozen cappuccino dream. And then we're gonna hop on the monorail system and check out the Contemporary, the Grand Floridian, and the Yacht and Beach Club resorts to see some gingerbread houses today. So if you like gingerbread and you like Christmas, stay tuned, stay around, hang out with us as we check out the gingerbread houses for the 2024 Christmas season here at Disney World. Let's go. All right, our first stop is the Grand Floridian, the biggest one out of all of them here by the old Enchanted Rose. Let's go downstairs and check out this massive gingerbread house. But yeah, this one in here is pretty cool. And if you'll notice, some of the little Christmas tree decorations are themed after Disney characters. So when you come here, make sure to look at those and see all that you can spot. It's a nice little game for the kids, I'm sure. How many characters can you recognize? I love all the peppermint Mickeys on the window shutters. It's pretty cool. It's definitely packed in here today. But this is definitely the biggest gingerbread out of all of them. So when you come to look at all of them, this will be your biggest one. The granddaddy of them all. It's definitely hopping today. But it's awesome. They got the Christmas tree up finally. And everyone's getting shingles and gingerbread cookies and Christmas bark, or whatever the hell it's called. I was going to try to find the ingredients list, but I believe if it's the same as last year, the list is in the line. And I'm not about waiting in a line that wraps underneath the balcony here, so I'm sure you could find that on another video where someone actually waits on the line. But I'm on a time crunch today, so we're not going to be doing that. But yeah, it's cool. So now let's go to the Contemporary. Now inside the Contemporary, and I can see their gingerbread castle. Ooh. I can't remember what they did last year. I know we came last year, but I can't really remember. I think it was the same thing. My short term is pretty bad. But I think it was the same last year as it is now. But pretty cool. All right, let's go to our next stop. Our first gingerbread house stop is going to be at the Yacht and Beach Club. Beach and Yacht Club, however you want to say it. But on the way there, I'm going to make a quick little pit stop here at the old corn dog stand, Blue Ribbon, and try their pickle corn dog. Hot dog wrapped in a pickle. All right. Well, it's a hot dog and a pickle. Not much to it. For $15, it's cool to do, but probably won't do it again. All right, let's go. If I ever worked here again, that's the job I would want. Water patrol, boat patrol, lake patrol, whatever it's called. Now, of course, some things change over the years. When I used to come here as a kid, they had mouse boats that you could take from here, and they had them at Polynesian and Grand Floridian as well, but tiny little mouse boats. I don't know if they still have them, because here they do not. It's only pontoon rentals. Which, if you didn't know, you can rent boats for the day by the hour and ride around the waters of Disney. Of course, the pontoons are fun, but the mouse boats were a whole other level of fun. I remember doing them and getting yelled at by Lake Patrol for operating too fast to another moving vessel. Getting distracted. Gingerbreads. Let's go. Let's see what they got. So the Yacht Club one is not on display. So going to the beach side, the beach club. Let's go. And this hotel definitely has the best pool out of any Disney resort. So nice. It's awesome. But yeah, to the beach house, you take this nice little walkway in between. Super nice and convenient. That's pretty cool. This one's pretty cool. Got some golden Mickeys around the top, around the tent top. But yeah, it's a cool display. So now we're gonna go to the Boardwalk Hotel across the water here, beyond this quote-unquote beach area with a nice lovely fence and some rocks where you can't get in the water. And if you ever wonder why Disney does that, it goes back to 2016 when I actually used to work here and got to witness the whole thing unfold live. Because I worked here that night. You can go online and look up Lane Graves alligator attack Disney. I'll give you all the info you know, but ever since then, every body of water at Disney has a safety perimeter. All right, so we're inside of the Boardwalk Hotel, checking out their gingerbread house. It's a nice little storefront design. Got the window here showing off Mickey and Minnie in the bakery, making this all possible. This one's design is pretty awesome. They got all the shadows of the characters in the windows, and I like this one. It's nice. Here's all the ingredients. Lots of ingredients. And just a touch of magic. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing some gingerbread houses today. That's all the ones that are currently on display. The Yacht Club, they said their starts in about 2 days. So 2 days from this video, go check it out. It should be right there in the main lobby. Yeah, I think my favorite one, probably the Contemporary, just because it's a nice little hotel. It's not too crowded in there. Yeah, the one at the Grand Floridian, it's like, that's, you know, it's the biggest one, so you get the biggest crowds. So go at an odd hour for that one, and you'll be pretty okay with getting photos and waiting in line. But during the afternoon, it gets really slammed, as you saw. Even that wasn't that bad as compared, you know, to last year, sometimes when I saw it. But the Beach Club one was cool. Same with the Boardwalk. There's one at Animal Kingdom, but that one I believe starts on the 26th, so about a week and a half from now. But yeah, tell me in the comments which one was your favorite, which one had the best design, features, etc. What snacks are you gonna try? Because there's a bunch of snacks, and I did not get any today. I'm very happy with myself for not doing that. But yeah, let me know what you're looking forward to, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.